Good boy. Good boy. Love it. Ibang bahay. Denmark. Steve by Tobin. Ay, dito. Ano po siya?
15 ako na lang sa mic.
10 seconds.
Hindi na.
Low, low. Two boys. Good. No, yeah. 20 seconds. Lemon pie. Black and orange. Wala, lemon pie. Purple. Sayang.
Shot lang. 14.
20 seconds. Pass to Brown. Brown, pass to Arroyo. Logo, pass to.
Oo, saan yan?
Pass to Shirtless. Side step. Two boys. Score. 4-0. 4-0. Sayang. Out of bounds. Good ball. Good ball. Pass to. Taking three. No good. Liver by. Are you true? Dubal. Pinasa sa kalaban.
Ang highlights dyan.
Wala. Iwan mo. Ingat.
Ang highlights mo, saan? Hindi ko nga lang ginamit eh. Tinesting ko lang.
Fake.
Dami ko
Fake news. Good ball. Sa atin na pa rin. Galing. Score. 4-0. Foul.
0.
4-0. Foul.
Sorry.
Take three.
Atong ka pala mukha.
Ang galing. Iba pa lang? Wala? 7-0. 7-0. Nangangaso? 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
Okay, duman dito sa ano.
Out of bounds. Mga sir, dito basta baka magdugo may dito sa dugo.
Tropa nila, no? Nila Senado.
Two boys.
Tropa nila Senado.
2-7, 5.3. Basta po dito basta dito banda. Baka mag-iis kami dugo. Wala, ano ba tayo? Ang husay nun, sayang. Sayang side step. Taking three. So good, we will buy. The left, left and right. No good, sayang. Purple.
Tira na!
Ano nga to? Good, counted?
Counted.
Counted.
Oh. Eh, dito wala. Doon na shoot yung kanina. Oh. Ayan po.
Yung pawis mo, dumagulo.
Shoot.
6-7.
Sino ba?
6 minutes exactly. Hindi ba lang? Hindi alam paano titira?
Second team foul.
Second team foul. Ano? Paano yan? Paano? Good? Good shit. Sabi ni Idol.
Kali kasi ka ng
14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Taking 3. So good. Reward by White and red. Pass to orange. 5 minutes and 30. Pass to gray. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Good. 9-6. 9-6. Last possession before change. 10 seconds to shoot. Bola.
Change. Change.
Change score. Change score. Six nine pa rin po. 6-9.
Scorer na, announcer pa, no?
9-6. 9-6.
Opo.
Jim, isa natin.
Yeah, sabay yes, no?
Yes.
4 minutes and 50. 3 points.
Benoy, laro kami si Christian.
Sige.
12-9. Ay, 12-6 na pala. 12-6, sorry. Ano nga, tol?
Paul.
Stop time ba ba?
Hindi, rekta na yan, rekta.
Running time yun, running time. Running time. Out of bounds. 4 minutes and 10. 6-12. Foul ulit. Dalawa na ulit sa foul. Dalawa na ulit. Good. Hanging on to 2 points. 8-12. 8-12.
Sino lang?
Sila yung ano.
Kertogan.
Wala kang bat. Pinok! Nagun, sayang! Reward by person. Hanging on to 2 points again. Good ball. 2-point lead, 2-point lead, 10-12. 3 minutes and 20. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Ito shot, Fred.
Ano yung boss? Discussion. Stop ka?
Ano oso?
5, 12, 10. 2-point lead kayo.
Labas na.
Labas po agad. 2-point lead kayo lamang. Team Hubad.
Nakamadyan na natin yun. Isa lang yun.
Good. 3 minutes and 5. 15 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. No good. Rebound Dino.
Bisalami is miss.
Miss na lang daw ang nakahatol ng ating nag-iisang Boss B. Boss Badin. Sa ating labing pa rin ang bola, ayon sa hatol ng miss. Oras, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 10-12 in favor of Team Hubad. Labas daw. Anong
Dabiling.
Kabile?
Traveler! Si Idol. Traveler without journey. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 12-10 to point lead by Team Hubad.
Lugo tayo pre, pag-uwi.
15 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Bote. Good. 2 minutes and 35. Taking 3. Wala pa tayo. Libad ni Hubad.
Chagburan. Chagburan.
Chagbulan daw.
Darbo.
Kamukha ni Chagbulan. Out of bounds. Kanina bala.
Kamukha ni Chagburan. Sobra. Ako magaling niya. Team Larbo. Larbo. Mas makmak.
14 seconds to shoot.
Back to Larbo.
10 seconds.
Bira na tres.
Taking 3. 3 points. Tula pa?
Grabo, yung
Stepping,
2 points lang daw, sir. 2 points.
Ako, buddy.
Wala pa rin, di ba Dino? Naging balik na. Woo! 2 points, ang galing. 16-10, 6-point lead. 1 minute and 40. Yun, ginaya. Sayang. Kaso. Kuha nila yung bola. Kaso.
Tira ba, ano? Uy!
Hindi.
Fake news.
Fake news. Isa pa fake news. Isa pa ulit. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 18-10. Ang usan.
Walang ang pasa yun, direct-direct.
18-2. 18-12. 1 minute exactly. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Anong meron?
Hold on. 2 seconds, 2 seconds.
2 seconds to shoot, sir. Good. 18-12, 35 seconds remaining. Rebound ulit ni Purple. Kiss. Isang foul ba yun? Foul o good?
Agawang pula.
Ay, miss.
Miss yung miss.
Miss mo na. Iyo.
Sexy na ah.
Shot clock ko.
Ito ganin mo ang larboy.
Shot clock ko.
Tayo na kayo yan. Tayo na next din. Tayo na kayo.
Tara, bro, let's go na tayo dyan eh.
19 seconds remaining. Shot clock ko.
Para tuloy-tuloy na.
New power please charge battery.
No. Uy. 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala, di ba tayo?
New power please charge
No.
battery.
Ano score, pre?
18-12.
Alam mo. Wala. Medyo yelo mo.
2-1. 2 points. Tapos na, uy. Tapos na. Tapos na. Tapos na. Panalo Team Hubad.
Panalo kayo.
18-14.
Katalo ba?